Hello and welcome to the Reiki Gem Wellness channel. Today I'm going to tell you the top 4 crystal healing benefits of blue lace agate, the stone of expansion. And for those who've watched my videos before, welcome back. I really appreciate your support. And for those who are new to the channel, my name is Shannon, and I'm a certified Reiki master and teacher and a certified gemologist, and I combine those skills and passions to provide you with the knowledge, tools, and opportunities to incorporate practicing crystal healing into your daily life. And today, we're going to be talking about blue lace agate. Now, blue lace agate is a sky blue gemstone that has really beautiful lacy-like banded stripes. And this is a fairly scarce stone. So if you are interested in this gemstone, then you might want to shop around so you can get exactly the right piece that you want at a reasonable price, because it can be kind of pricey. And if you are interested in working with blue lace agate some more, then make sure to check my online crystal healing store for blue lace agate pendants that you can wear while you're meditating, while you're out in your daily life, to keep those supportive and healing benefits with you. And so today we're going to be talking about the top 4 benefits of working with blue lace agate, this really gorgeous, wonderful stone. And the first benefit of blue lace agate is that it helps connect us to higher guidance. This stone is open and expansive like the sky. It is the stone of expansion. So the energy of this stone is like looking up at a bright blue, cloudless sky with minimal trees around to block your view, and just feeling the immense openness and expansiveness of that sky. That is the feeling that this stone exudes when you hold it. And it helps then connect us with our higher guidance, with the universe, with our spirit guides, our angel guides, our spirit animals, anything outside of us that will help guide us and give us advice. So if you're looking to form a deeper connection with the universal wisdom, with your angel guides, then meditating with blue lace agate will help strengthen those connections. It helps open us up and allows us to be more receptive to that guidance. And there is a nest of birds right outside my window. It's spring and there are babies, so the baby birds may chime in with us today. So the second benefit of blue lace agate is that it improves communication. The blue of the blue lace agate is deeply connected with our throat chakra. And it helps us find the words that we need to express our message. It also helps us feel comfortable identifying and owning our own authentic opinions and feelings about anything in our life. And, if you're having a difficult conversation or you need to have a difficult conversation, then blue lace agate helps you find the right words to express your feelings about this. The throat chakra is the home of communication and authenticity, so blue lace agate helps you feel more comfortable sharing your authentic opinions and feelings about things, sharing your authentic self out there to the world. So blue lace agate is a wonderful stone for those who rely on communication for their profession or for a hobby. So if you're a writer, a public speaker, a project manager, a manager, a negotiator, people that need to convey a message, if you're a teacher, then blue lace agate is a wonderful stone to help you strengthen those skills and to really find the most effective words to express what you are trying to share. The third benefit of blue lace agate is that it strengthens affirmations. So if you're doing affirmation work or intention work where you are repeating a mantra over and over again for its benefits, then blue lace agate will enhance those practices, because this is a stone that reminds us that words have power, that words help to create the reality around us, and they help to manifest things in our life. Like negative self-talk holds us down, and negative and harsh words create a harsh environment. And positive and loving words, they bring forth a more positive and loving environment. So this gemstone is one that really truly helps us consider and choose our words and helps us stay in the right frame of mind and helps break tendencies to gossip or to talk down about ourselves, self-criticism. It reminds us that if we are harsh to ourselves, that's going to become our reality. And it helps us break that cycle of. So if you are doing intention work, if you are doing a mantra practice, then having a blue lace agate mala helps if you're doing repetitive mantras, or just holding the mantra in your dominant hand, because that's what you're sending out to the world. While you're doing affirmation, mantra, or intention work, will help strengthen those words, that practice. And then the fourth benefit of blue lace agate is that it helps to diffuse conflict in our lives. So it's a very nurturing stone, and it helps neutralize anger and frustration in our lives. It helps dissolve it out and let it float off into the universe. So it helps to diffuse conflict between people and enables you to react less emotionally and choose your words and your message carefully so that it will bring the situation down and bring it back into harmony rather than aggravating the situation. So blue lace agate, it is just a really wonderful, nurturing, comforting stone that helps to connect us with our higher guides, our higher self, our spirit guides, so that we can absorb that wisdom, and it helps us use our message to progress our lives and to support our highest good. So I do hope that you found this useful, and if you do think that blue lace agate is a gemstone that you would like to work with more, then on Saturday, in 2 days, I'll be posting a guided meditation with blue lace agate. And you don't need the gemstone itself to benefit from the meditation. If anything I talked about in this video today, or if any of the prompts in the guided meditation really speak to you or call to you or trigger you, then that's a sign that you should get some blue lace agate and work with it some more. For those who are new to the channel, I talk about a different gemstone every single week and how it can support you in your practical everyday life situations. On Thursdays, I post these videos about the informational benefits of a gemstone, about the healing and supportive benefits. And on Saturdays, I post a guided meditation with those gemstones to allow you to sit with that crystal and see if it's one that you'd like to incorporate into your life. So if you are interested in learning about a wide variety of crystals and gemstones and how they can support your life, then make sure to hit the subscribe button so that you won't miss a single gemstone video. Thank you, and I hope to see you during the guided meditation.